How to unsend mail in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to unsend mail in Gmail. So first of all, all you have to do is just simply open the Gmail in your web browser, or you can also use the mobile application in your mobile device. Just simply open that, and after that just simply click on the settings icon from the top right corner of the Gmail itself, and from there just simply click on see all settings. And in the settings option, you can see there are so many different options. Just stick to the general one and scroll down until you will be able to see the option called undo send, and you can see that the send cancellation period has been set to 5 seconds as default. So you can increase and decrease the time as per your liking. And so for example, you want some time to decide whether you want to send the message or the email or not, so you can increase up to 10 second or 20 second as per your choice. I'm just gonna keep it on 5 second, and scroll down and simply click on save changes if you have made any changes over here. And once it is done, just simply come back to the Gmail and just simply click on compose a email. So I'm just gonna simply send an email to someone. Just select their email address and you can write, and after that just simply click on send. And as soon as you send this particular email, you will be able to see these option undo view message. So simply click on undo from here and your message will be unsend. And in order to send the unsend message right here, you can see your message will be saved in the draft section. So just simply open it. You can see this particular message right here that we have just sent. It is unsend right now and not has been sent to the person we were sending. So this is basically how you will be able to unsend mail in Gmail. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.